In this video, I will be reviewing the Leung Tim Chinese vegetable cleaver. Hello guys, I'm ChefPanko and I used to work in a Japanese restaurant. Make sure to subscribe to know more about cooking and knives. Before we start with the review, I want to go over some disclosures. Leung Tim Chinese vegetable cleaver has been bought with my own money. All opinions in this video are my own, without outside influence or contracts. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up since that will help the channel a lot. Now with the disclosures away, let's start with the video. We got 6 categories to talk about in this knife review. The first one is the aesthetic and specifications of the Leung Tim Chinese vegetable cleaver. The Leung Tim Chinese vegetable cleaver is entirely made with stainless steel. There was no information about the steel type that they used, but it is a workhorse knife, so you don't have to worry about chipping or rusting. The blade length is 200mm. While Leung Tim did not specify the Rockwell hardness, the Rockwell on my review sample is around 56. The knife thickness is 1.9mm across the entire spine. The knife weight of my review sample is 284 grams. The embossed markings on the blade tell you that it is a stainless steel knife, Leung Tim brand name and logo, and the location of their store. The handle is a stainless steel handle that is welded onto the blade. The left side of the handle has Chinese characters stating the knife brand and version. On the right side of the handle you can see the Leung Tim trademark with the globe and 2 tigers. The handle shape is well designed and very comfortable to hold for small to large hand sizes. The debossed patterns on the handle add extra grip. The handle length is 10.5 cm. Keep in mind that the Chinese characters and Leung Tim's logo need extra attention while cleaning. I recommend a pinch grip for a Chinese vegetable cleaver, where the thumb and index finger determine the balance point. With this gripping style, the knife will be front heavy. The choil is rounded so there are no sharp edges. You can also pinch with 3 fingers so that you avoid touching the choil. The blade profile is quite flat, but the heel and the front have a slight curve to prevent you from digging into your cutting board. The curves also give you the ability to rock with the blade. The sharpness out of the box was not good. You can pretty much say that the knife was quite dull, and therefore I highly recommend that you sharpen the knife before use, so that it reaches its potential. The out-of-the-box sharpened angle was around 22 degrees on this review sample. The edge retention will last you around 1 or 2 months with regular honing sessions in between if used at home. Leung Tim Chopper Factory did a great job with their budget-friendly knife. It is comfortable to hold for small to large hand sizes due to the handle shape and design. The knife quality seems to be consistent with almost no flaws on my review sample. The only noticeable problem with my version is that the heel was slightly bent. The choil is nicely polished and the debossed pattern on the handle adds extra grip. The only noticeable point is that this knife needs more frequent honing sessions, but the steel is easy to maintain and very durable. You most likely need to hone the knife every 4 to 7 days and add a sharpening session every month or 2 if used at home. A great knife that I can recommend to any home cook, and that for a very budget-friendly price of around $20 to $25. For professional use, I find the edge retention a bit low since you need to hone this knife more frequently, which can slow your workflow down if you need to hone the knife during your prep work. If you have any questions or other opinions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video.